Hi, this is Mark with Right Line Trading. Wanted to go over our trading for the day. First, let's go over bonds. Now, bonds, a lot of volatility. You can see right here we had a move down. This was a break of a 50, but you could not chase this trade because the modified 15 was yellow, and I don't think the 50 was red. But let's see. Well, 50 was red, but the 15 was not. So you could not get this move to the downside. On the move to the upside, same thing. 15 was green, 50 was red. Here's where you had an opportunity. It was very aggressive, and I was just opening the room. There's the break of the 50, retest of the 50, and the move to the downside. And the modified 15 here is heading down. Just right at the 8:45, just as I was opening the room. You can see if you tried to do it here on the break here and retracement on the yellow 15, would have given you a lot of grief. Wouldn't have stopped you out, but it would have come within one tick of a stop out. The high of the move was here. Would have come back 4 ticks on you. 1 tick from stopping you out. Now, here, on this move up, it broke the value area high here. And just really no way to take that short. Here was a break of the 50 that you could have traded. Right here. 50 down, 50's down, 15's down. Right here. We were in another trade in another market, and this would have been a $650 trade. And then chop. We had a really nice trade on the ES. Now, the ES opened. Actually, this is 851. I didn't chase the market down. It was long off resistance, and it just continued down. That was when the ES just fell out of bed. Now, I marked this pivot wrong here. This pivot is really going to be right here. This is where the market turned. And I'm sorry, I'm just looking at our pivot indicator. Right here. And came up. Now, the C candle broke the pivot right here. So it became a broken pivot. But this became an area for a move to the downside, a move back to the upside, and a potential short here on a 70% retracement. I didn't take it, and I should have. There's no way to catch this move to the upside. This is just more of a breakout type trade. We don't ever anticipate breakouts. Then at 9:18, Here was the move up. You can start it from here, or you can start it from here. This is really the move. It's 2 candles in a row, form a trend. We go up, we retrace. Took a little bit of license, thinking that this was about a 70% retracement. This candle right here is a dark cloud cover. I'm sorry, a piercing candle. The body of this candle breaks and moves into the body of this candle by at least 1/2, and up we go for 9 ticks. That was our second trade and second winner, and we were done. And then after the markets closed, after we finished, this is a really nice retrace, move back and move down on 2 quants. That's a very nice trade. You can take this one as short as well, and this one short as well. So many winners today. It's just unbelievable. Where do you see crude oil? And here they are in the long trades. And you shouldn't take them into unbroken trend lines. Don't get me wrong here. But here's the move up. Here's the move down. Got the retracement. 70% or greater. And up you go. In this move, it retraces. And up you go again. Then this is a tough trade, just your standard retracement trade, because it's into the point of control. But multiple winners here on the ES. It's getting a little frightening. And I say that half kiddingly, but wait till you see crude oil. Oh my God. Now, I was in the room 5 minutes late. There's a short, 8:45, 11 ticks. A hand me trade. This is the kind of trade, if you can't get this trade, move up, continuation short. On the right edge, you can see value area, high is all the way up here. Doesn't play any significant role. Move up, see candle, and down for 21. Move up, retracement down for 31. This is 450. This is at least 300. This is 150 to 200. This is almost a $900 move. Which it gave me a bellyache. But here was the move we took. Here's the swing high. We went down, came back. There's the trend line. We shouldn't trade into them, but there was too much in terms of market structure on this trade. Here's your dark cloud cover. At least 1/2 of the candle, down candle, pierces the previous up candle. Took it short. 23 ticks on crude oil. And we were done. 23 on crude, 9 on the ES. Look at this trade on crude. Break of the 50, retest of the 50, 15's up, 50's up, 26 ticks, retraces, goes up again. It's just scary. So here's how we did. You can see a lot of candles. For the morning, 2 trades, 2 winners, crude 23 ticks. One contract at 5, one contract at 10, one at 17. The ES, I called the trade very conservatively. 3 off at 3, 1 off at 4. Net ticks 32, net equity 482.50. This week, and I don't know any trading room in this universe that can equal this record. We had 11 trades, 11 winners, no losers. We made 128 ticks, which really is sort of an irrelevant parameter, but our net equity was $1,917.50, and that's before commissions. We only have 11 trades. So we have about $160 in commissions. We have on 11 trades, if we count 3.5 round trips, because we have 4 round trips on the ES, 3 round trips on crude. It's really closer to probably 3.3, but if we take it at 3.5 and multiply that by 11, it's 33, maybe whatever. Let's just call it 40. 40 round trips times $4 is $160. So we really cleared over $1,700 this week in actual profit after commissions, which is an unbelievable week. 11 trades, no losers, and almost $2,000 in gross equity. I don't think it's a feat you're going to see accomplished in many trading rooms ever. Let's take a quick look at our results. Right here on this button, get our trading room results. Here we go. 9-4 has been posted already. I've only had 3 trading sessions in September. We're up $1,482. In September, we have 8 trades, 8 winners, no losers. So far, we have a perfect September. Not just lack of a losing session. We don't even have a loser. So we're going to try to see if we can push to $6,000, maybe even $7,000 this month in terms of our performance. Last month, $5,450.50 prior to commissions. There are a few break-even trades that we don't put up, but I did a calculation of the break-even trades based on net equity for a year. Now we haven't taken a break-even trade in over 10 days. We take about 12 to 15 a year, and if you count that, it's less than 0.1% of our total net equity. So it has no statistically relevant bearing on our performance. If you'd like to come in for a free trial, just hit this blue link up. Just submit your name and we'll process it for you. Here's the contact us page. Just about to put the Auto Traders back online to with the addition of market profile and the quant analysis indicators. This is a description of our software and the prices. We've had a lot of people sign up for mentorships because I have a lot to teach them on market structure and price action. And you can see today both of our trades were off the 50, but the success of those trades was based on a retracement back and the continuation back into a confirmed trend. We are confirmed trend traders. So we had a super great week. We're going to have a great month, and I look forward to seeing everybody in the trading room. Everyone have a wonderful Labor Day, and we'll see everybody back in the trading room on Tuesday, 8:45. Take care.